everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at a wind spinner. This is that kind of kinetic yard art or type of windmill that you put in your garden or your front lawn or just somewhere you want to look nice. And it has a three-dimensional kind of a cool effect to it when it blows in the wind. This one is called, well, Celebrate the Season, Wind Spinners Collection. It's marketed through a small Midwest chain store called Shopko. Price in the summer of 2018 is about $30. I'll open it up and show you how easy it is, and we'll put a fan on this in our sunroom because it's a rainy day, and I'll show you what it looks like moving. Kind of a copper tone paint job. It looks like they had it more secured with more zip ties, but there's only one remaining. I'll get the scissors and we'll cut this open and then put it on the post. The stand, it looks like the axle here, that you thread each side on. Should be a quick chore. I'll just thread those three poles together to the fourth bottom one and put that on the axle. I'm going to do that off camera. Take about 30 seconds to do the first hand. Make sure you do thread it in the right way, but it spins good, so we'll spend another 30 seconds on the second one. Okay, that was simple enough. Now let's just screw together the main post. Alright, the second last step is just to slide this together. I didn't put on the very bottom piece because it's going to be too tall. I'm going to turn on a fan now and we'll point it at it so you'll hear a fan noise, but you'll see the effect this thing gives. Alright, let's try it out. It kind of has a windmill effect while it turns itself into the wind. Well, there you have it. A 6-foot tall piece of Kinetic Yard art that has this really cool faux copper finish and a really cool kind of a mesmerizing 3D effect when it spins, when the pinwheels spin counterclockwise or counter to each other. We're going to find a spot in the yard for this, and I might put a little picture on there in the yard if we have enough wind. Anyway, that's it. Pretty cool investment for $30. Longevity, you'll probably get 3 or 4 seasons out of this if you bring it in out of the winter. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Here it is outside. We're going to use it to mark a metal post that's on top of our septic mound here by the garden. No wind right now, so see if I can fake it. Go one way. Pretty groovy. I like it. Thanks for watching.